Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Art and Craft Adventures. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a little girl named Lily. She loved Christmas more than anything in the world. Every year, Lily would wait eagerly for the holiday season to arrive. In their town, there was a traditional of decorating the streets with beautiful lights and ornaments. Lily's favorite part was when everyone came together to decorate a gigantic Christmas tree in the town square. People would sing joyful songs and share laughter and happiness. One day, as Lily was walking home from school, she noticed something strange. A little kitten was sitting alone on a cold, snowy bench. Lily could not bear to leave the poor kitten out in the cold, so she picked it up gently and decided to take it home. Lily named the kitten Snowball because of its fluffy white fur. They became best friends in no time. Lily and Snowball would spend their evenings snuggled up by fireplace, dreaming about the upcoming Christmas celebrations. As Christmas Eve approached, Lily could not contain their excitement. She wanted to spread joy and happiness to everyone in her town, just like the Christmas spirit had filled her heart. She came up with a plan. Lily spent days creating handmade cards and gifts for her friends and neighbors. Each gift had a personal touch and was filled with love. On Christmas Eve, she carefully placed the gifts on everyone's doorstep, making sure to leave a little note that said Merry Christmas. When Lily woke up on Christmas morning, she found a surprise waiting for her. All the people in her town had received her gift and were touched by her kindness. They wanted to show their gratitude and spread the Christmas cheer even further. Together, the townspeople organized a big Christmas party in the town square. They decorated the tree with even more ornaments and lights, making it shine brighter than ever. There was laughter, music and delicious food filling the air. Lily and Snowball danced and played, feeling the warmth of the festive season. The Christmas became the most magical and memorable one of Lily. She learned that the true of joy Christmas comes from giving and spreading love to others. From that day on, she made a promise to herself to celebrate every Christmas with the same kindness and generous. And so every year, Lily and Snowball continue their traditional of spreading joy and making Christmas a special time for everyone in their town. They reminded everyone that the spirit of Christmas could be found in the simplest acts of kindness and love. I hope you must like my drawing pictures for Christmas and Lily's generous Christmas story.